Think about this context. If this is truly you, if this is what keeps your masculine riled up, your sex drive, your intimacy, your engagement, the thing that attracted you to her is your desire for feminine. It's still going to be there. And if it requires variety, if it requires exercising, if it requires something that one partner can't satisfy, she does not know that she needs you to be sharp on your game, needs you to be sharp on your pursuit of feminine so that you can bring that to her. This is literally the conversation of abundance. I had the experience with in-house in a relationship. As we go through living together, as we go through parenting, as we go through comfortability and life, no longer having to work for, no longer having to, you can choose to, but you don't have to. What is affection, intimacy, time together? Where do those things fall by the wayside? Having the experience of, oh damn, this is what I like and I want it from my fucking primary. Invigorated me. Oh, I do like this, and here's this fine feminine I've been around all this time. I used to miss her touching me like that. I used to miss grabbing up on her like that. I would get inspired by my experiences with other feminine, and oh yeah, you have to maintain the polarity. That is the responsibility of leadership. It's not what feminine wants, it's what they fucking need. If you become boring, lame, predictable, same day in, day out, monotony, if anything falls by the wayside, they get bored, the polarity falls out, the attraction falls out, they start complaining, they start leading, they start stepping into whatever things you're not doing. If this is what you need, put on your oxygen mask to meet your needs, to leave resentment, pressure, stress, or anything else you would bring to her out of the picture, and it has her happy, fuck her feelings. That's not what's important in leading. Don't create a relationship from the feelings. Don't maintain or lead a relationship from the feelings. That's why you put on the lead. Now, if you want to let her lead, by all means, then you can be in the fields all day. You'll have polarity. Somebody's got to be leading, though. Somebody's got to be in the field. Somebody's got to be leading. However you keep the polarity is all up to you. These are just universal laws. That's all I'm talking about.